Okay, so this question or this topic is I can use a table, an equation, or a graph to decide the unit rate of a proportional relationship. So we're looking for what is the rate for one item. Okay, so what is the unit rate for the frozen juice pop situation in the previous section? So if we go back here, our unit rate is how many pops in one bag. So in this situation, it's 36. And if we divided all of these number of pops by number of bags, you should get 36 each time if it's a true proportional relationship. All right. So this question would be 36 pops per bag. And when we're looking for a unit rate, we need to use words. It's telling us what type of item per one of something. So 36 pops per one bag. We just say per bag. Smith family is driving in New Mexico. X is the number of hours driven, and Y is the distance traveled in miles. The equation Y equals 61X models their distance traveled for any given amount of time in hours. How fast are they traveling on their trip in miles per hour? So we could, if we're not 100% sure, use this equation, right? X is number of hours driven, and Y is distance. So I'm going to go with a little table here. If we travel 1 hour, X is hours, 1 times 61 is 61 miles, right? This is hours, this is miles. If I drive for 2 hours, 2 times 61, that's 122. If I drive 3 hours, I get 183. Okay. Each time we're just growing by that 61. This is our unit rate. How far do we go in 1 hour? So my unit rate is 61 miles per hour. Okay. C. The Jones family is also driving in New Mexico. The graph at right models their distance traveled for any given amount of time in hours. So this is hours. X is hours. Okay. How fast are they traveling on their trip in miles per hour? So this is miles and hours. So if we have X and Y here, in 2 hours, we went 104 miles. In 4 hours, we went 208. So what we're looking for is in 1 hour. Okay, well, if we divide 2 by 2, we get 1. So 104 divided by 2 is 52. Same thing should work out here. If I divide 208 by 4, oh, I get 52. So here is my unit rate. My unit rate is 52 miles per hour. Another interesting thing is if we went to 1 hour, 52, oh, looks like it's about right. Right, it's just above 50. So that point there would be 152. Done.